So a couple of weeks ago, Larry Reaves from Reaves Woodworks was here in Cammy's garage, and he was very kind and generously gave me this skateboard blank that he made up. He has a few videos on his YouTube channel, but he's not very active there. You can, however, find him on Instagram. So I'll put some links down in the description to let you know where you can find Larry. So I was trying to figure out what to do with this, and Larry makes knife handles and stuff like that. I don't make knives, as you guys know. And Easter has just passed already, but I think I could make an Easter type egg out of this. It's something I haven't done before, and Cammy's Garage is all about trying new things.